Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be tackling a couple of drawers in my kitchen and I'm going to be labelling up and doing some jars and some organisation. So if that's the kind of thing you're interested in, then just continue to watch. So dangerous, I get this. Hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliet and I do new videos on this channel every week. I do lots of different things: beauty, fashion, home, lifestyle. It's just a massive array on this channel. So if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe and stick around, as it does mean the world to me, and I would love for you to join our YouTube family. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. First, before I start, please excuse the state of me. I'm on a bit of a cleaning day today. The kids are on holiday still, they're in the garden, so if you hear loads of screaming, I have two children, two boys, and they fight like cat and dog, so they're playing quite nice at the moment, although it does sound like they may be murdering each other. Right, let's get started. So I'm going to do a bit of an overlay. I'm going to show you the drawers that I'm going to be tackling today. They've got completely overrun with spices and herbs. I love to cook from scratch, and I've organised every single cupboard and drawer in my kitchen. There were a couple that weren't working for me. I revisited them a few months ago, but this drawer in particular is just a dumping ground. And I even have a lovely spice cupboard that Matt actually built when we did our kitchen. If you haven't seen that video, me and Matt actually did our kitchen ourselves. I'll leave that video link here. But yeah, today I'm going to be sorting out this cupboard. So I bought some jars because, you know, could you not? Now, these jars I absolutely love. They're from a company that I really love called Roove.com. I've mentioned them before. They're a company that sell loads of like kitchen and storage and homeware stuff, and they always have amazing deals on. So I'm sure these 12 jars, I think I paid about, I want to say about £6 for 12 jars, and they are these cute little Kilner jars, and I absolutely love them. And what I've done for these is I've actually done these stickers. I've printed them and cut them on my Cricut machine. They are, I'll show you up close, like these just little stickers that say I've got like mixed herbs, I've got nutmeg, dropped one, sesame seeds. There's like loads of these ones. And then whilst I was at it, I also did these circular labels. Now, I cannot for the life of me figure out how to do this on my Cricut yet. I'm still learning so much. But I bought some sticker paper and I printed it on my printer, but I couldn't print then cut in the Cricut because it wasn't going right, and so I ended up having to just cut them out by hand. So they're a little skewy, I'm not gonna lie, but I've bought these for these jars. So these drawers actually work really well for me, and I've labelled them up with my Dymo labels, and I'm quite happy with those, but I just wanted something a little bit extra to go with the rest of my labels, and I just loved the round, how it fit on the jars. So excuse my circle cutting, I will figure it out one day. Maybe if anyone's a Cricut expert and wants to like let me know how you might be able to do it, but I just can't figure out how once you've printed it, it's like you need to like scan it to show it where you've printed, and I don't quite understand. But anyway, that's a different story. I did it by hand, printed them, did it by hand. So I'm going to get all my herbs and spices out, see what I've got, see what labels I've got, line them all up, and then organise the drawer. While remember, these jars actually come with these little chalk labels and a chalk pen, which is awesome. So if you don't have a sticker maker, or you don't want to put stickers on, or you want to put stickers on but you haven't got any, this is a great alternative. I love that. So that's a bargain. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me? Okay, so this is everything out my spice drawer. I'm glad I've done this because I've seen how many like purees and stuff I've got, so I'm going to try and find a place for those. And then I'm just going to try and organise everything that I've got more of one of, and try and stack them by the jars, then put the labels there, and then go from there. Okay, so I've organised them all out now. So these are all the jars. Let me just move these out of the way. So these are all the jars. I've literally got one left that I need to do a sticker for, because I forgot about my peri peri seasoning. But just before I start putting all the stickers on and filling up these jars, one little tip that I forgot to mention as well is that if you don't want to do stickers as well, or if you haven't got a label maker or whatever, what I find also really helpful to use is these stickers on the top. So what I do is I will get these stickers off, either you'll be able to pick it off very carefully or get like a hairdryer to soften the glue so that you can get it off, and then use this sticker on the actual jars. I've done this before. Let me see if I can find one that I've done. Yeah, see, look, I used to do it before. If I didn't have a specific label, I would just take the label off the actual jar and put it on this jar, and that's just another way of getting a label without actually using one. So some of them I'm going to get rid of because I'm not sure what's in them anymore, and then these are like more the ones that I use a lot of, and then I've got to do another peri peri one. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and restock all these jars and see how I get on. I'm actually going to be washing these and donating all these, some of them to my mum, some of them to charity. But these are from Ikea, if you wanted to know. They are lovely. They stack and stand like that, and like that. I used to have these in my spice drawer. They are amazing, but the lids are only plastic, and I cracked a few of mine. And also when I had my kitchen done, these don't actually fit in the cupboard that I had built or the drawer. They're too deep that way, so that's why I've got these. So hopefully they'll work better.
Till the morning light, before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things.
Okay, so I'm done. I've labelled up all the jars, and so now I'm just going to have a look in this cupboard, see how many I can fit in. I think I can fit 2, 4, 6, 8 in there. I think I can only fit one in the bottom, so maybe 9. And I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. So that might work well then. So if I can put 9 in the little cupboard down there, and I'm going to put some in this drawer down here as well. So I'm just going to try and organise them into like what I use most, and then go from there, I think. Okay, so for this drawer, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of these, which is just from B&M. I think they're about £1.50. I'm going to use this to put all my, what's it called? All my purees in. You can see, let me stand you back a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to use this to put all my purees in because I've got quite a few. I'm going to see how many I can get in there. Grab them first, and I'm going to see how many spices I get in here. And then I've got like these whole black peppercorns and like my ground white pepper, which I don't know what to do with yet. I think I might be able to put them in there maybe. I'm not sure yet. I'm just going to have to play around with this drawer.
But now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light,
that is me organising my spice drawers. And I know it's like a really quick, simple, short video, but it's something that I've wanted to do for ages, and I just thought I would show you a different way of how to do it, how to do your spices in drawers and like do them yourself, and without having any fancy like labels and stuff like some of the tips and tricks. But I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. Like I say, there's all sorts on this channel. I do a lot of home and a lot of beauty and a lot of hauls, so yeah, I would love to have you here. And until next time guys, take care, bye.
You set my